to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Hannah and I have been missing from my channel and so long. 2 months? 3 months? I don't know. But yeah, life caught up, so that's why, and it's very noisy and I'm sorry. In this video today, I am going to test out the Bretman Rock X ColourPop collection. I'm not going to do any first impression type of deal. I just want to play with the makeup. Maybe I'll do 2 looks, one with the wet set and one with the lip set. So the wet set is more blues and silvers. So this is how the packaging for the palette looks like, and this is for the lip kit. They also have a body glitter. This is the palette, has some glitters there, and this is the color palette or color story of the palette. These are the lip products for the wet set, and this is the body glitter. This is how the packaging or the box for the lit set looks like, and this is for the lip bundle. The palette is gold for the lit set, and this is the color story of the palette. These are the lips from the lip set, and this is the body glitter. He also released Super Shock Cheeks blush. The neutral one is for the wet and the brighter one is for the lit, supposedly. But obviously, you can mix things around, so it's not really set in stone. For the lit palette, just to give you very quick thoughts on both the collection. I like, my mom's there if you can hear her, my nephew too. I like the lit palette more just because blue is hard to work with, and from what I've known is that blue shadows are hard to formulate as well, but I also think that blue doesn't look that well on me. I think warm colors really complement my skin tone, so that's why I think the lip palette is better. In regards to what to get in the collection. I like the palettes. The blushes, I could take a pass because I don't do blushes normally. The glitterly obsessed body glitter, I can pass. I don't use body glitter. And by the way, they're not recommended for the face or the eyes, so don't do as I do. Do as I say, don't use them. Well, unless you want to take the risk. I just wanted to use all of the products, so that's why I place them on my eyes. And for the lips, I like the lit set as well. I do like the liner for the gloss on the wet set. I don't like the satin lip there. So yeah, that's my thoughts for that. I guess you could use both looks as holiday looks if you choose to. So so yeah, so you can use either looks for your holiday parties, and I think the colors aren't really that extraordinary. You could pull those colors out of other palettes as well, but you know, support the fellow Filipinos, so you know, proud Pinay, kono hai, charot. And yeah, I guess that's it. Anywho, please check the description box or my pinned comment for the winner on the mystery box giveaway, because the first one, the one that we chose, did not message me, and then also check below for the winner for the Somebymi giveaway. And again, you have a specific time frame to message me so that you can be considered as the winner. So yeah, I guess that's that. Sorry for the hiatus. I might be doing more videos, I don't know, because I do have a busy schedule coming up. Oh my god, why does this keep on staining me teeth? Anywho, that is that. See you in my next video. When life goes to bananas, make banana pies, and I hope you keep staying true. Bye!